This final video in how to create a business card 3-up is how to import or create your content for the business card and then step and repeat it. You should have finished creating all of your guidelines and your bleed line, and then you should have completed and had your rough layout checked off so that your instructor can make sure that you've designed everything appropriately. You should have also watched and heard the lecture Hierarchy of a Business Card. On the left-hand side right here, I have all my content that I need to place in here. So you can see how it's pre-done. This is the finished business card. I can select my graphics right here. You may file place yours, but I'm going to command copy and then command paste them into the correct area on my business card. They are not currently grouped, and because I want them to function as a group, mine came in from InDesign, and as a consequence, each one of the, they came in from Illustrator, and since they were not grouped here, each letter came in separately. So I am making a box around them all so I can object group them, and then copy, Command C, Command V, copy and paste, and this time I did not lose any of my letters. Now I am going to align it so that it fits above my line but not into the 1/4 inch margin. This is a little bit too big, so I'm going to go up here and reduce it to 90%. Now it fits more appropriately in my margin. You can center it by centering these boxes on your center line. Next, I need to create the text boxes to put all my content. I'm going to click and drag, not from the edge of the paper, but from margin to margin to create one text box that has my name, what I do for a business, and my phone number. Then I'm going to create one more text box from margin towards the center on the left side, and another one from margin to the right side. This allows me to change all the alignment as needed. Now you will have to type your information in according to your rough layout. My hierarchy of emphasis is already established, so I am going to cut and paste that content right into these text boxes where they go. Command copy and command paste. You will just go ahead and type yours in. Make sure that nothing is hanging outside of your 1/4 inch margins. Then you will make sure that the lower line, that the type sits right on your 1/4 inch line. And you can arrow key to make it sit correctly. This says that I'm missing text because of that red line. And so you can notice that my .com was going away. So I'm going to make that longer because the text box was too small. Now if this is looks like it runs into each other too closely, you can highlight it and select a narrow font. I'm going to choose Arial Narrow because I know it works really well to make it skinnier and fit better. If I can find it. There's Arial Narrow. And notice how it creates more space in between those two margins. The left-hand box is aligned left. So I'm going to go ahead and create Arial Narrow again so it fits better. And then I'm going to double check that it's aligned right. So here's the aerial narrow, and in my alignment I need to select align right. This alignment is aligned left, and the center one is aligned centered. Now, to select all of these objects and repeat your step and repeat like we did with your line, you are going to hold down your Shift key and select all the content information except for the lines that we have already step and repeated. I'm going to object group that. Now I'm going to repeat my step and repeat by going Edit Copy and Edit Paste. Edit Step and Repeat. Make sure your count is 2, your vertical offset is 2, and your horizontal is 0. And now you have completed the whole assignment. Print this, put it on a portfolio page, and turn it into your instructor.